Okay, children. So linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. So eighth class linear equation in one variable. Word problems will do, children. We'll do word numericals. Word numericals. Okay. So let's do, children. 1 second. First one. First question is like this. A number is such that let the number be x. Let the number be x. A number is such that it is as much greater than 84 as it is less than 108. It is as much greater than 84. See, it is as much greater than 84. It is as much greater than 84 as it is less than 108. Okay, children?
Yes.
This number is greater than 84. Same, it is less than 108. Now bring this x here, bring this 84 here. X plus x is equal to 108 plus 84.
192.
2x is equal to how much? No, 192.
192.
X is equal to 96. So
96.
number is 96.
96.
Okay, small verification also we will do, Nana, so that you will understand what we did is correct or not. Verification. So 96 minus 84, 108 minus 96. 96 minus 84, 108 minus 9. 96 minus 84 is 12, and 108 minus 96 is also 12. Like that, you should verify. Second question. Okay. A number is 56 greater than the average of its two-third, quarter, and 1/12. Find it. See, children. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Okay. What is one third of this number, Nana?
X by 3.
Yeah, one third of this number is x by 3. What is quarter, Nana?
X by 4.
And what is 1/12, Nana?
X by 12.
X by 12. He's saying a number is this number is this number is 56 greater or more, means plus none. 56
6
more
more
than
than
56 more than average of all this average of all this means
x by
x
3
by
plus x by 4 plus x by 12 by 3.
very good. Average means x by 3 plus x by 4 plus x by 12 by 3 you should put on. Average means add all by 3. If 4 are there, add all by 4. If 5 are there, add all by 5. Like that. Okay, so please see here, children. So 56 you bring here. X minus 56 is equal to x by 3, x by 4, x by 12 by 3. 3 goes here, children. 3 into x minus 56 is equal
56
to
is equal to 8x by
3,
36.
x by 4, x by 12. 3x minus 3 6 are 18, 3 5 are 15, 16, 168 is equal to 3 4 12 LCM is 12, children.
12. And
3
the
4
4x
is
plus
4x
3x
plus
plus
3x
x.
plus 1. 12 ones are 12, 1 into x is okay. Okay, children. So bring 12 here, children.
Sir,
Okay,
1 into x is x, no, sir?
1x. Okay, 1 into x is 12, ones are 12, 1 into x is 1x. Okay, so 3x minus 168 is equal to 7, 8. 8x by 12. Okay, children. Now what we'll do?
We'll
Bring
take
this
12
here.
plus
12 into 3x minus 168 is equal to
8x.
8x. 12 3s are
36x.
12 8s are 96, 72, 81. 12 on the 12, 22, 0, 1, 6, 8x.
201.
This comes here, this goes here. Okay, so
Sir,
36x
36x.
minus 8x is equal to 2016. 36 minus 8 is how much, children? 28x is
28x
equal
is
to
equal to 2016. X is
x is
equal to
equal to
2016 by 28.
okay, x is equal to how much, Nana?
72, sir.
72.
72. X is equal to 72. Thank you, Nana. X is equal to 72. Okay, children. So those who want verification, 72 is equal to, we have to show 56 plus 72 by 3. This is verification. Please check Nana verification. 72 by 4 plus 72 by 12 by 3. 72 should come. 56 plus 72 by 3 is how much, Nana? 3 2s are 3 4s are 4 1s are 4 8s are 12 6 are by 3. 72 56 plus 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 plus 4, 18 is 48. 48 by 3. 72 is equal to 56 plus 3 1s are 3 6 are 72 is equal to 72. Hence verify like this. You can do verification also whenever you require it. Okay, children. So one more sum. One more sum. Okay. A number divide 34 into two parts. Divide 34 into two parts, children. Divide. One is x, other one will be 34 minus x. Divide 34 into two parts means one is x, other is 34 minus x. Divide 34 into two parts means one is x, other is 34 minus x. Okay, in such a way that 4/7 of one part, 4/7 of one part is 2/5 of other part, 2/5 of other part, 2/5 of other part. Okay, yeah. Vedant, tell me how to do.
Sir, we'll cross multiply.
4 5
20x is equal to 14.
14.
34 minus x.
Okay.
20x is equal to
Uh,
14 into 34 minus 14x.
bring 14x here.
20x plus 14x is equal to 14 into 34.
Hmm.
34x is equal to 14 into 34. X is equal to 14 into 34 by 34. So 34 cancels.
Okay, better, no, yeah, better. 14 into 34. So 34 cancel. X is equal to
So 14.
14. Let's do verification. Will you do verification?
Yes, sir.
So 4/7 of 14 is equal to 2/5 of
20.
34 minus 14. Okay. 7 2s are 2 4s are how much?
8.
8. 2 4s are 8. Okay. 2 4s are 8. And 2 by 5 of 20. 5 4s are 4 2s are 8. This is also 8. 8 and 8 same.
Yes.
Okay, like that you have to do. Hope you are able to understand. So slowly, if you do, we practice as many numericals as possible, then you will become perfect, children. 2 3 sums I will do enough minutes. It's not over, children. You have to practice. Okay, one more sum. Correct? Yeah. Pravalika, you want to tell them?
Yes, sir.
See, normally a fraction will consist of numerator and denominator. Normally a fraction will consist of numerator and denominator. He's saying numerator of a fraction is 4 less than denominator. How many? 4 less than denominator.
D
minus 4. Very good. Numerator of fraction is 4 less than denominator. Okay. If 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, now fraction, see Nana, if this is x, imagine if denominator is x, what will be numerator? X minus 4. Now what he's saying is, so what is our fraction, Nana? What is our fraction? X minus 4 by x. If 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, if 1 is added to...
Sir, n will be x plus 4, no, sir?
Why, Nana?
Because n is equals... okay, sir, I understood. Okay, sir, sorry.
See, denominator I took as x.
Yes, sir.
If you take this, this will be x plus 4. If you take this x, this will be x minus 4. Your wish.
Okay.
Okay, don't confuse, Nana. Don't confuse. If 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. Find the fraction. Nana, tell me simplification. Product. What is simplification?
Sir, x is equal x minus
Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3.
minus 3 by x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2.
Okay.
X by x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to x plus 1.
Okay.
Is equal to 6 plus 1.
X is equal to 7.
7.
So denominator is equal to 7. Numerator is how much, children? X minus 4. 7 minus 4, that is 3. So numerator by denominator is 3 by 7 is original fraction. Okay. Sujit, tell me verification also.
Yes, sir.
What is verification? What is the verification? 3 by 7 is there. To this you add 1. To this you add 1. How much it will become? 4 by 8.
4 by 8.
Means 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2. Okay. Next. Nandika is there? Nandikams? Okay. Rishikesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can. One someone asked. Saurabh has 34 rupees. Saurabh has 34 rupees. Okay. He has this in the form of 50 paisa coins. 25 paisa coins are there. if the number of 25 paisa coins is twice the number, if 50 paisa coins is x, then 25 paisa coins will be 2x. Okay.
Yes.
How many coins of each kind does he have? How many coins of each variety does he have? See, if 50 paisa coins are x, 25 paisa coins are 2x. So 50
Yes,
paisa
sir.
coins, 50 paisa all
Sir,
coins
sir, 50 into 50x
should give 34
coins
rupees.
plus 20 paisa all coins.
Should give 34
Yes, sir.
rupees. How
So
many 50 paisa
50x
coins
plus
are
20,
x? X
50
by
paisa
100.
coins are x. So 50 into x.
50 into x by 100. 50 into x by 100 plus 25 into 2x by.
25 into 2x by 100.
Tell me why I did by 100 by 100 to convert paisa into rupees.
Paisa into rupees.
To
Yes, sir.
convert paisa into 50 paisa
Sir,
coins are
otherwise
x
we
in.
can do
This has 3400.
34 only into.
100. This you
Yes,
can
sir.
take 3400.
It would be easy, sir.
Your wish, your wish. Anything. So 50x by 100 plus this is also
50x by 100
is
plus
equal to 30.
50x by
50 plus
100
50 plus is
is equal to
100x.
34. 100x by 100 is equals to 34. 100 cancel, x is equals to 34.
34 50 paisa coins are there.
So 34 50 paisas and 25 sorry
68
125 paisa coins.
68 25 paisa coins are there. 68 25 paisa coins are there. Can you help me verification?
Yes, sir.
Tell.
If x is 50 paisa coins, then 34 coins are 50 paisa coins.
34 into 50 by 100
50 by 100 is plus
68 into
68 plus into 25 by 100
okay,
is
this
equals to
is by
34
2, this is by 4.
by 4.
34 by 2 plus
34 by 2 plus 68 by 4 is equals to 34.
217 is
217 there and 2 sorry 417 there is
34.
34. Yes.
Okay, next. Next, who will tell next? Harsha. Harsha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Arvind has a piggy bank. It consists of 1 rupee coins and 50 paisa coins. 1 rupee coins are there, 50 paisa coins are there. Okay, it contains 3 times as many 50 paisa coins as 1 rupee. If x is 1 rupee is x, how many
So
50 paisa?
53x, sir.
Very good, 3 times, very good. Total count is 35 rupees. Total count is 35 rupees. Same like this sum.
Sir, then 50 rupees will take 0.5 rupees.
First you tell this one. X plus 1
Sir,
into
x
x.
plus-
1 into x.
1 into x plus 50 into 3x by 100.
Why by 100? Because to convert paisa to rupees.
Paisa to 100 rupees is equal to 35 rupees.
Okay. So x plus
X plus 3x by 2 is equal to 30.
2 LCM you take.
2x plus 3x by 2 is equal to 30.
Okay, this you take.
5x is 70, sir.
5x is equal to 70. Okay, 5x is equal to 70.
70.
Very good.
X is equal to 70 by 5.
So 14 1 rupee coins are there, and 14 threes are
14 into 3 is
42
42 50 rupees 50
50
paisa
paisa
coin.
coins are there. So 14 into 1 plus 42 into 50 by 100. How much? 14 plus
14 plus
21. That is 35
21.
rupees. This is
35
verification.
rupees.
This is verification. Please copy, children. If you don't copy, you will not have anything to practice, children, and simply you will get less marks in Sunday exam. Everyone should copy. No one is sitting idle. Or else later, if you are not copying it, it will become big work for you to copy the whole video again. Please now check properly. Next, Raghuram.
Yes, sir.
Question is, Kanwar is 3 years older than Anima. See, if Anima age is X,
X.
what is Kanwar age?
X plus 3.
Very good. 3 years older means X plus 3. Kanwar is 3 years older than Anima. 6 years ago means
X minus 6.
6 years ago, for this fellow also 6 we should put.
X plus 3
For this
minus
fellow also minus 6. Very good. For both of them we should put minus 6. 6 years ago, Kanwar's age was, this is Kanwar's age. This is Kanwar's age. Kanwar's age was 4 times Anima's age. 4 times
4
Anima's
in
age.
X minus 6.
Okay, those who need to understand, again I'm telling children, Anima age is x, Kanwar age is x plus 3. 6 years ago means x minus 6, x plus 3 minus 6. Kanwar age was 4 times of Anima's age. Kanwar age was 4 times of Anima's age. Now tell me simplification.
Sir,
4x.
4x minus 24 is equals to x minus 3.
Okay.
We need to bring x's to one side. 4x minus x is equals to minus 3 plus 24. 3x is equals to 21. X is equals to 27. Anima's age is equals to 7. And converse age is equals to 10.
10 years.
10
Verification curve. Verification curve.
Yes, sir.
Can you help me in verification?
X.
This
Sir,
here
4
we should
into
verify.
x
Here
minus
we should. 4 into
Yes, sir. 4 into x minus 4
7
into
minus 6.
7 minus 6 is equals
equal
to 7 minus 3
7 plus 3 minus 6. Okay.
minus 6.
4 into 1, 4. 10
4
minus
is
6 also 4. 4 is equal to 4. Okay, next.
Yes.
Okay, Meghana.
Yes, sir.
Who is that? Who is that?
Nandika.
I called you, Nana. You didn't respond to me. I called you so many times. I'll come to you after Meghana. I'll come to you after Meghana.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, mute your audio. Mute your audio. Meghana, you tell.
Yes, sir.
After 12 years, I shall be 3 times as old as I was 4 years ago. Let my present age is.
X.
Very good. Let my present age is X. Again, you listen. After 12 years means
X plus 12.
I was, after 12 years, I shall be 3 times.
X minus 4.
3 times of X minus 4. 4 years ago. Very good. After 12 years, I shall be 3 times as 4 years ago. Yeah, tell.
X plus 12 is equal to 3x minus 12.
3x minus 12. Okay.
12 plus 12 is equal to 3x minus x.
Okay.
24 is equal to 2x.
Okay.
X is equal to 24 by 2. X is equal to 12 years.
Okay. X is equal to 12 years. Can you help me out in verification?
Yes, sir. X plus 12 is equal to
12 plus
3.
12 is equal
12
to.
plus 12 is equal to 3 into 12 minus 4.
Okay.
24 is equal to 3 into 8. 24 is equal to 24.
24 is equal to 24. Now, Nandika, your chance. Are you ready, Nandika? Something Nandika wrote. Can anyone tell me what she wrote? Nandika, not there. Hansika, are you there? Not there. Okay. Meghana, you only tell one more song. My age is 4 times the difference of my age after 4 years and my age after 3 years. See, let my age is.
X.
Let my age is X. My age is 4 times the difference. My age is 4 times the difference of my age after 4 years and my 3 years back. My age is
X plus 4 minus X.
4 into 4 years. The difference of my age after 4 years means how much, Nana? After
X
4
plus
years?
4
Difference is that. Difference means minus.
minus
My age 3 years back.
X minus 3.
Like this. So my age is 4 times of difference of my age 4 years after 3 years back. Tell me simplification, Nana.
Yes, sir. 4 into X plus 4 minus X plus 3.
Okay, X is equal to 4 into
4 into 7. 2x plus 7. 8x plus 28.
8x plus 28. So we did something wrong, Nana. It's going wrong. My age is 4 times the difference of.
Plus x minus x cancel now, sir.
Okay, plus x minus x cancel. No? Then x is equal to 4.
4 into
X-
7.
4 into 7.
7.
So x is
28.
equal to 28 years. This is my present age. Tell me verification.
28 is equal to
28 is equal to
4 into 28 plus 4
Okay.
minus 28 minus 3. 28 is equal to 4 into 32 minus 25.
Okay,
28 is equal to 4 into 7. 28 is equal to 28.
very good, fantastic. Next, Vedant,
Sir.
are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm there, sir.
Oh, Nandika is there. Wait. Nandika is there. Nandika, you there? Nandita, I called you, Nana. Again, I called you, but you didn't respond.
Sir, I responded, sir.
Okay, you tell now. Again, sir. Hamid has 3 boxes of different food boxes. Box A is 2.5 kg more than box B. Box C is 10 1/4 kg more with plus box B. Total weight of all boxes is 48 3/4 kg. What is the weight of each box? Can you tell Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Box A weight is X plus 2.5 kgs.
Box A is
X
how
plus
much?
2.5 kgs because
You
box B
you are taking box B as exam.
X, sir.
Okay.
Box B is X, sir.
Okay. She is
Yes,
taking
sir.
box B as X
X
children.
plus 2.5 kgs.
Okay. A she is telling 2.5 plus X. 2.5 means 5/2 plus X. And box B already we took how much?
5/2
X. Box B is X.
X.
Box C what we can write? Box C. 41/4
Yes, sir.
plus
41/4
plus X.
plus X
See 41/4 plus X is equal
is
to
equal to
192 195/4.
40.
X plus X plus
Okay,
X
so
is how much?
195/4.
Hmm.
3x plus 5/2 is equal to, okay,
Yeah.
is equal to 195/4. 3x is equal to 195/4 plus minus 41 minus 5/2. 3x is equal to 195 minus 41 minus 10.
Okay. So 3x is equal to
Yes, sir.
195
3x is equal to minus 51/4.
144/2.
144/4.
Box B is how much?
Okay, so
Amma?
12.
12 kg.
Box B, weight of box B is 12 kgs.
Box A, can you help me?
12 kgs plus 2
12 kg plus
2 and a half
2.5 is 2.5.
2.5
How much is that? 14.5 kg.
14.5.
Can you tell me
Box
box C now?
C is 12 plus 10.25.
Okay, so 41/4 is 10.25 plus 12. How much is that? 22.25.
22.25
Box C is 12.
kgs.
So individual boxes we have found out, Nana. That is how we are calculating. And if you want, you can do. Nana, can you help me in verification, Amma? Please, verification, Amma. A is how much, Amma? A is 12. B is how much?
12.
B is,
A is not 12, A is 14.5.
A is 14.5.
Okay.
14.5. B is 12. C is
Plus 12 plus 22.25
okay. So this is
is equal to
26.5 plus 22.25. This is how much, Amma?
25.
48.75.
75.
48
Yes.
3/4 means 48.75, and you know 48.75,
48
48.75.
7.5.
Like that only, same answers you. Okay, so children, fine. Next chances. Vedant. Vedant,
Sir.
see, there are 90 questions. There are 90 questions are there. 90 questions are there. Multiple choice. Suppose you get 2 marks for every correct. See, correct answer, you will get 2 marks. If you write correctly, you will get 2 marks. Multiple choice questions. These are MCQs. Okay, and for every question you have unattempted or wrong, if you write wrong or not attempted, you will get 1 mark deduction. 1 mark add, 1 mark deduct. Okay, from your total score. If you get 60 marks, your total marks is 60 marks. You got total 60 marks. How many questions did you answer correctly? Can you tell them?
Sir, we can take the number of questions answered correct as X.
Number of questions correct answered is X. Okay.
Wrong answered or not attempted is 90 minus X.
Wrong answers or not attempted is 90 minus X. Fantastic.
Sir, correct answer plus the wrong answer is equal to 60.
No, for every correct answer
Into
you'll get 2
2
Plus
marks.
2 plus 2 marks.
2x. For every wrong
2x
answer,
plus minus 1.
no, this is minus. Why minus? Because 1 mark deducted.
Yeah, yes, sir.
1
2x
into
minus
90 minus
1
x
into
is
90
equal to
minus 6.
total
is
marks. How
equal
much
to
you got?
60.
60. 1 second. So children, why I took minus here means because 1 mark is deducted. 1 mark is deducted. That's why. Now tell me simplification. 2x minus 90. Tell. My goodness.
2x minus 90 plus x is equal to 60. 2x minus 90 x goes to the other side. 3x is equal to 150. X is equal to 50.
So 50 questions answered.
Correctly.
So
40
90
questions.
minus 50, 40
40
wrongs.
answered wrong.
40 answered wrong. Okay, last question for the day, Nana. Max. Pravalika, are you there, Anna?
Yes, sir.
A man sold an article for rupees 495. Selling price of an article is 495 rupees. Okay, and gained 10%. Gain percent is 10%. And gained 10%. Okay, find the cost price. Find the cost price. Do you remember, Nandi, like these questions? If selling price, if cost price is 100, after 10%, selling price will be how much, Amma?
110.
110 rupees, because 110 gain, 10% gain, 110. Now, how much is cost price? If selling price is?
495.
Now tell me cost multiplication.
495 into 100 is equal to 110 into x.
110 into 495 into 100.
Yes.
110 into x. Yeah, tell me x is equal to?
X is equal to 495 into 100 by 110.
110. So 11 4s are 11 5s are. What is the cost price, Nana?
450.
450 rupees is cost price. That's it. Very good. Okay, children. So remaining questions we'll do tomorrow, children. Let's go for science. Remaining questions we'll do tomorrow. Thank you so much.